Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Binance to your Phantom wallet. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, simply all you have to do is open your Binance account, as you can see right here, and under the exchange section, go to the assets on the bottom right. Now from here, we're going to click on send. And then from here, you're going to click on on-chain withdraw. Now, once you do that, you're going to select whatever currency you might want. So for example, USDT. And then from here, it's going to wait for the address and the network section. To receive that information, you're going to exit the application and then you're going to open Phantom Wallet. And then once you log in, it will direct you to the main page right here. We're going to search for the token that you might want to receive, or simply click on the receive button on the home page. Now from here, you're going to just search whatever network that your currency is going to be from. So for example, USDT is under Ethereum. Click on Ethereum and then copy the address. Exit the application, go back to Binance. And then from here, once you see the address button, click it. And then from here, you're going to select whatever network you might want to send it through. So for example, here, Ethereum is the one with the least amount of fees. And then from here, select whatever currency you might want and the amount. So for example, $10. And then from here, you're going to click on withdraw. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.